Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. So I'm here to share another card that I made using the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar for 2024. At the rate that I'm going, I'll be showing these designs until 2026. I don't know. I gotta get going. So I made another card, like I say, with the calendar. And I know you all are aware of the Advent calendar, all over on YouTube, but I'm still trucking along. So let me share with the day that I used. So I used day number 12. So I've cut them all out, of the box, taken them all out of the box, and I kind of put them in the little sleeve that they came in. And then this one, to remind you, man, I can't see. There it is. To remind you of the design, this one was the sweet little drink die set. So you got the outline die, the inner die, and then the fruit and the outline of the fruit, the straw, and then the piece that you could put in to do the drink line. So let me share with you what I made. What I used first, and then I'll share the card. Getting out of order here. So I used these honeybee stamps, fresh brewed gem stickers. Super cute, and you can see I like them. I've been using them quite a bit. I like that they're tiny. And then from Rosie Studio, this little puffy phrase sticker. It's not a puppy, puffy phrase stickers. And these are so sweet. They're tiny, and I like them for small projects. So they love these from Rosie Studio. From Spellbinders, I used the cutting dies, the mirror arch labels. And these are 16 cutting dies included in this set. So awesome. And then I pulled out an oldie but a goodie, this lemon zest. This was like one of my first dies that I had to have from Spellbinders. I mean, I searched for it, wanted it on sale, and actually did pick it up on sale. This wasn't the price I paid at Hobby Lobby, but was so excited when I got this. So have a few little pieces in here that I cut out and just put in the envelope here. And then one of my newer items that I used was the Spellbinders 3D embossing folder. So super excited that I got a Platinum 6 for my birthday this year. And with the intent on using 3D embossing folders, my little cuddle bug just wasn't cutting it. So I got the and Platinum 6 so I could do the 3D embossing folders, and of course with the Better Press that I received too. So super excited about this one. I think this is going to be my favorite one. So let's see how the card turned out. So you guys, hope you like it. I'm very excited about it. I kind of went a way that I normally don't go. So here it is. So I kind of used the to make a shape card. I normally don't do that, but for some reason I got it in my head that I wanted to do that, and I think it turned out really cute. I have the embossing folder, which you can't see a lot of it, but it's there for sure. I popped up the drink. I used some Spellbinders gold paper. I love their gold paper. It's super nice. And so I didn't want my drink to look like it was totally a lemonade. It could be something else. Maybe, a little alcohol in there. I don't know. So this is the card I made. I used that cute little sticker from Rosie Studio, and I used Just Because. So this could be just like a hello card, or maybe saying, hey, just thinking about you, and you're my friend, or let's have drinks, coming, the next coming weekend. And then I layered it using the die cut dies again, so it looked really super cute. But I love this card. I don't know if this card will ever get used unless they make another one, because I adore it. Let me know what you think below. Are you sick of the Advent calendar designs? I hope not, because I have a lot of days left. So let me know what you think below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed, and thank you all for my subscribers, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think below. Talk to you soon. Bye.